Okay guys, now it's the next day, or it's not the next day, it's 2 days later, because yesterday I was vacated and yeah, I'm not so fit today. My arm hurts and my head too. I'm not so motivated, but I will make the video for you. And yes, I think it's better for my head. Oops, sorry. I think it's better for my head when I'm outside and not inside. But yeah, it's really late now because I'm here since an hour and I saw a falcon, but then a woman with a dog came and scared them away. It was not so nice, but here are a lot of birds, a lot of little birds, and it's really, really nice, but they are really shy and it's really difficult to photograph them. Yeah, I will walk around now and maybe I can find another bird of prey. I will see, but I think I can photograph half an hour more and then it's too dark. So yeah, I think let's go. Okay guys, I spotted a bird of prey. I'm sorry if you hear some car noises, but there's a road in this direction, and yeah, the falcon is in a tree, I don't know, 20 meters before me, 30 meters before me, and I will try to get closer now, and hopefully I can take some nice photos. Okay guys, I don't know if you saw it, but the falcon flew away because there was a person, and I see him, and now he's sitting in a tree, a bit in the distance. But I think now I can photograph him much more better because in this tree were too much branches. And yes, I will turn off the camera now and concentrate on the photography. Okay guys, the falcon flew away and it's too dark to photograph now. I think I could take some nice recordings. Yes, I think I couldn't take a really good picture, but some recordings for you. I think I go back home now, or I think if not, I go back home now, and it would be nice if you like this video and subscribe my channel. And maybe activate the clock so you don't miss my new videos. Good evening together. It's the next day now, and I walked around a while, and I could find one bird of prey. I think it was the same than yesterday, but I'm not sure. I didn't film it because my vlogging cam was in the backpack, and I had not the time to put them out and take a video or shoot a video for you. But I could take one photo, but I think it's not the best. The bird of prey, I think it was a falcon, the same than yesterday, as I said. The bird of prey, so the falcon, was hunting in the field, and I could take one photo from it when it flew over the ground, but it's not really good. So yeah, I will go on now, and hopefully I can find the birds of prey again and take some photos. So yeah, let's go. By the way, one thing more. Yesterday when I got home, I saw one more bird of prey. I'm not sure what it was. I think it was a buzzard. And he sat there in the grass. And when I get closer, he flew away. And I could take some two really, really nice photos. And I will show it you. If you exactly know what kind of bird it is, what kind of bird of prey it is, write it in the comments, but because I'm not sure. I think it's a buzzard, but I don't know. And I think I saw a bird of prey in a tree, I don't know, 60 meters before me in this direction. And I will look if it is a bird of prey, and hopefully I'm lucky and I can go close to him, because with the 200 millimeter lens, I have to go really close to the bird. But it's also really important that you don't scare the birds away, because then they are scared of you and they will be shy in the future, and that's also not really nice. So yeah, if you do bird photography or any wildlife photography, that's the first rule, and that's the most important rule, that you don't scare the animals away. And yeah, I think now I will go. Oh guys, it was no bird of prey. It was only a blackbird, but from the distance it looked like a bird of prey. Here are a lot of tits, a lot of gray tits, but also some blue tits and some, I don't know the English name. But here are a lot of little birds, and I will photograph this because this opportunity here is perfect. They're not shy and they come really close to me, and it's really beautiful. I could take some really nice pictures, and I will do this now further, and maybe I find a bird of prey again, and if not, then it's not awful, because yesterday I was really lucky with the bird of prey, and today I saw one too, and I'm lucky, so yeah. Oh guys, that's just quite amazing. Here's so many birds. It's gigantic. Oh guys, look at this. Look at this. It's such a nice photo and a nice bird. guys, I found a bird of prey again. I don't know if you can see it, but there on the top of the tree, this little point is a bird of prey. I think it's a falcon again, because here are a lot of falcon. And yeah, I will sneak me closer to the bird, and then hopefully I can take a good photo. But I think so, because yeah, I hope it. So don't talk longer, because I have to be fast now, because it's getting dark, and I think in 10 minutes it's too dark to photograph, and it's not good. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, a lot happened since the last video I recorded. I think it's 20 minutes later, and I got so close to the bird of prey. It was just amazing. I think he was only 10 meters far away from me, and I could take so many nice photos and videos. It was awesome. It was incredible. Okay guys, I think I go back home now, because it's dark now. The sun is under the horizon, and it's too dark to photograph or to film. And it was a beautiful midday, and yeah, I experienced so much. I hope you liked the video. So if you liked it, like the video and subscribe my channel. That would help me a lot. And yeah, if you haven't seen the first part of the bird photography videos yet, check it out. I linked it here or here, I'm not sure. And then see you next Sunday. Bye.